Christmas, the most awaited season, is finally here. This season is made even more delicious with all the Elephant House products. The ham slices are so enticing, you feel like eating them all. And the roast pork with stuffing, looks so appetizing. The delectable honey roast ham and millennium ham are absolutely mouth-watering. And the star of the season is the luscious Christmas leg of ham. You smack your lips by just looking at it. And of course, the delightfully juicy Elephant House sausages that comes in wholesome chicken, flavorful pork, exquisite bratwurst or succulent bacon whopper. It's going to be utterly delish. Celebrate your Christmas with Elephant House, the legendary taste.